Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp. Avatars are a fun way to personalize your WhatsApp profile and express yourself with stickers. So let's get started. To create and use avatars in WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Ensure that you're in the chat section. In the Chats app, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu. Within the settings, tap on Settings. In the settings, you'll see an option for Avatar. Tap on Avatar to access avatar creation and customization tools. In the Avatar section, tap Create Your Avatar. You'll now enter the avatar creation mode on WhatsApp. Here, you can personalize your avatar's appearance and style. Explore the different customization options available for your avatar. You can choose your skin tone, hairstyle, outfit, and more. Each category provides a range of choices. After selecting your preferred option for each category, tap Next to continue customizing your avatar. Now, you can choose your avatar's hairstyle, hair color, and more. Make the selection that match your desired look. Tap on the outfit icon to choose the clothing style for your avatar. WhatsApp offers various outfit options for you to pick from. You can also select your preferred body shape, eye color, and eye makeup for your avatar. To save your changes, tap Save Changes. You've now successfully created and updated your avatar in WhatsApp. Tap Next to proceed. If you'd like to set your avatar as your WhatsApp profile photo, choose the Set Your Avatar as Profile Photo option and follow the prompts. Additionally, you can use avatar stickers in your WhatsApp chats. To do this, open any conversation. Tap the emoji icon at the bottom left, and then tap the avatar icon. You'll have access to 36 different avatar stickers to choose from. And that's it. That's how you create and use your avatars in WhatsApp. These avatars are a fun and expressive way to personalize your WhatsApp experience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!